Excited to see that because it's somewhere I've never been before. It's here in Singapore, and so it's my first time performing, outside of North America, and it was just great just to see the fans and that they were excited to see me. I don't know how to explain it. It's so crazy to know that they're seeing me everywhere, even if it's